Hey, my travel loving tequila sipping crew. What up, doe? What up, doe? Welcome to my first episode of Tequila, Tacos, and Travel. Today we're mixing up something special. A Berry Peach Mango Mimosa with a shot of tequila, because why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your Tuesday nightcap? What up, doe? What up, doe? Thank you guys for checking in. Before we dive in, tell me in the comments, are you a mimosa lover or a straight tequila shooter? Drop a peach for mimosa, fire for tequila, or celebrate memoji if you love both. Tuesday nightcap tip: tequila mimosa. Here's what you need: a half a cup of peach nectar, 1/4 cup of mango juice, a handful of fresh berries, 1 shot of tequila, Blanco or Reposado for smoothness, champagne or Prosecco to top it off, and your ice is optional. Yes, muddle those berries in a glass, pour in the peach nectar, mango juice, and that shot of tequila. Give it a swirl, then top it with champagne, garnish with a fresh peach slice or berries. Take a sip and let me know, would you serve this at a brunch or serve for a solo treat? My travel tip for the day: where to enjoy the best tequila and mimosas. If you're looking for the ultimate tequila and mimosa experience, pack your bags and head to Mexico City. For tequila, visit La Casa del Tequila. They serve over 250 types of tequila plus tequila based mimosa. Yes, brunch at La Lo, where they serve endless mimosas with fresh exotic fruit flavors. Ever had a mimosa with guava or passion fruit? Where's your favorite spot for tequila or brunch drinks? Drop it in the comments. And I got a little surprise for you. Numerology moment for my Life Path 1 crew. Energy. Life Path 1s. This drink is made for us. Bold, creative, and independent, just like tequila. We thrive on adventure, so why not shake up a classic mimosa? We love being trendsetters too, so try this mix and impress your brunch crew. If you're a Life Path 1, comment #1energy below. Let's connect. Let's toast to good vibes, great drinks, and unforgettable travel. And don't forget to like if you love a good cocktail. Subscribe for more travel and drink adventures. Comment your favorite mimosa twist or tequila story. Until next time, stay bold, sip strong, and keep exploring the world. Cheers. See you next Tuesday. I'm on my goals. How about you?